All right, I want to do a little refresher on how to copy plans over from the master course into your course. So you're going to go to plans, and in plans, you'll copy whatever unit you want to get into your course. So I'm going to select this little square. I'm going to go to action, and then I'm going to go to copy. And then I'm going to select the course that I want to copy it over to. So if I wanted to copy it to my personal course, then I could copy it there. I would not select anything different. You want to keep this middle one checked because that keeps the resources and folders together. And then you're going to hit copy. And then I can go straight to there. And it will take a second. You can see it's working by this little, those arrows turning. And eventually I will have that Unit 1 learning pathway in the resource area. You can see it's been added here, and then it's also in my planner. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.